So welcome students, welcome to Masters Bloomingdale Academy. In this video we are going to learn about different types of defects of vision. So previously we discussed about structure of eye and retina. In this video we are going to discuss about defects of vision. So basically there are three types of defects of vision. One is myopia, next one is hypermetropia and presbyopia. So these are the basically three types of defects of vision. So we'll discuss about myopia. Myopia is also known as nearsightedness. Why? Because the person suffering from myopia, he can see objects which are near to him clearly, whereas the objects which are at distant location, they are at a distance, he can't see them clearly. So that's why this defect is known as myopia. So coming on to the cause of this myopia. So coming on to the cause of this myopia, what is the main reason for this myopia? There are two causes. First one is excessive curvature of the eye. Generally, this person, he will have more curvature. That is, as I said previously, the structure of eye is spherical in shape. But this person, he will have, the eye is having more curve. It is more curved. So that's why this person is suffering from myopia. Similarly, the eye lens is elongated. Elongated means the eye lens is spread. For example, a normal person, he may have an eye lens of this dimension, but the person suffering from myopia, he will have eye lens which is more elongated. So these are the two causes of myopia. Why myopia occurs? Now let us see some other points regarding this myopia. The person who is suffering from myopia, the image of the object will be formed in front of the retina. That is, the image is not formed on the retina. So the image is formed in front of the retina. The person suffering from myopia, the focal length of the eye lens, or maximum focal length of the eye lens is 2.5 centimeter. So when you compare a healthy person and a person suffering from myopia, we will have this value. Healthy person, he can see all objects. He can see all objects at a distance of 25 centimeter. That is, at least distance of distinct vision, he can see all objects. But the person suffering from myopia, after 25 centimeter, he can see objects blur. Blur means the object is not clear. So coming on to the ray diagrams, let us see by looking at this ray diagram what we can conclude. So we try to understand what is the reason why he is getting a image in front of the retina. So if the distance, this is the least distance, that is 25 centimeter. In all these cases it is 25 centimeter. L stands for least distance. So here M is the maximum distance. It is the maximum distance from where the eye lens can form an image on the retina. So this is known as M, or it is also known as far point. So for example, what is the maximum distance at which the image will be formed? So for example, in this case, what is happening? The incident rays, they are coming onto and falling on the lens, and the image is formed in front of the retina. You can see the object is somewhere that is beyond far point, beyond the far point. So that's why we are not able to see. Similarly, if the rays are falling somewhere at infinity or at a distance which we don't know, then also you are getting a image in front of the retina. But when the object is on far point, at a distance of far point, so at this case you will get the image on retina. Similarly, if the object is between far point and least distance, then also we will get a image on the retina. So supposing a person is suffering from this defect, so how to do the correction? The correction is that is what is the treatment for this person who is suffering from myopia. So you have to use biconcave lens. You have to use a biconcave lens. You have to arrange this biconcave lens in such a way in front of the eye, so that when the light rays fall on the biconcave lens, so they will get reflected onto the convex lens, that is our eye lens. This is your eye lens. So what happens? Finally, the rays will be formed on the retina, so that we can see the image of the object. So this is the correction of person suffering from myopia. We have to use biconcave lens. If you want to clarify any doubts regarding the topics, you can comment below so that I can make more videos. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos. And very soon I am making some videos regarding the most important topics which are important according to the examination point of view. I will cover all the topics. At least I will give the important topics so that you can study those important topics and you can score good marks in your examination. Thank you very much.